It's Noelle from the Center for Real Estate Education. The biggest question I get is, how do I do rolling admission? How do I mix and match classes? Well, we've made it really simple. We have classes Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4:30. Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday evenings, 6 to 10. Saturdays from 9 to 3. And Sundays from 9 to 4:30. You can start anytime. If you're taking daytime classes and want to go to an evening class, it's okay. Want to throw in a Saturday or a Sunday? Don't worry, you can literally create your own schedule. Each class is taught as an individual topic. If you're learning about contracts, that is all you are learning about. If you're learning about appraisals, you don't have to know what came before. They are non-sequential. You just have to get all the chapters done in any order. Let's say you start on chapter 14. It's okay. You can do 14 through 21, then wrap it back around and do 1 through 13. We are the most flexible school in New Jersey.